Hey everybody, it's Tommy Anderson, and I just wanted to bring everybody up to speed on my Aurora 1/48 scale F-111A and F-111B companion build. Well, I got the first half done. I finished the Aurora F-111B from the U.S. Navy. So take a look at this. Look at my pilots. I got them in the orange test pilot flight suits. Well, here she is. Doesn't that look awesome? Decals that I made for it. I'm really pumped over this. I can't believe how nicely it turned out. You know, it's got I'm really happy with how this turned out. And this, if you remember, I had to make the back part of the canopy in there. I mean, of the cockpit. I made it. I've got the headrest supports that I made. You can't tell the difference that that's scratch built. It was also missing the dual engine exhaust. Well, look at that. I got these on eBay. They're for the 1/48 scale Academy F-111, and I took a chance. I looked at it. The guy wanted $12 for them, and I just told him I pass. You know, I'm not really interested. And then pretty soon he sends me a email back and says, well, he says, how about $5 and no shipping fees? That's it, sold. So when I got them, and you'll see in the build, they're really close to fitting, really close, just a few things off, but I got them in there. I puttied around where it didn't completely meet up, and I think it looks great. You cannot tell that they shouldn't be there. So I'm very happy with this. And now I'm going to go on and complete the F-111A, the Air Force's version. Then I'll have the two of them side by side. I'm really happy with how that turned out. Like again, the decals turned out better than I ever thought they would. And as a result, I decided to put them up on eBay for sale if anybody's interested. You know, and they want to build one of these. I do have the decals and 1/48 scale for them. So anyhow, and I will see you all later as I work on the F-111A.